Hello everyone. The Payslip Advanced Report Odoo app make it easy to print and multiple employee payslip in PDF also in the Excel format. HR can create and send a payslip for an approval and manager can review it or else edit them if needed. It also shows a salary details clearly by rule category. Let's dive in and see how it works. At first, we have some access rights. Let's get into the settings where under the user we have and three users. So one will be a manager, admin, HR. So let's get into the admin. For admin, we have given a payslip as a general manager. We have a three payslip access rights. One will be the HR, manager, and general manager. Now for this admin, we have given in general manager so they can create it and approve it. Now we have another user named HR where they can create the payslip for the employees. And we have another rules which is a manager, they can approve it. So now first let's get into any employee. Under the configuration, we have an option for creating a bonus. So here in this, let's create a bonus named special bonus, for example special bonus for April month. Okay, now in this we need to give the declaration date, date of application, and in this we need to give an bonus amount which can be paid by using an amount also when percentage wise. Let it be, let's choose an amount as of now, and I'm choosing 2530. And over here in this we can use a group target as a country group wise, like for example if I choose an India over here, it will list out all the countries over here, like related to the employees. Now, if I choose a state, if I choose a state over here, so it will display all the employees related to the state. Now, like the same way it will for company and also department and also the job profile. So let's choose a department as of now. Okay, now in this, let's choose a sales. Now in this you can see all the employees from this department. Now let's confirm and let's send an email to the employee and let's validate it. Now the amount which we have added as a bonus will be automatically reflected in the employees too. Now let's check for that. Let's get into the employee where we need to search for the employee which we have created, which are in the list. Yeah, so this is one of the employee and you can see the bonus amount will be added over here. Now let's create a payslip. So for that we need to log in as an HR now. Now we are in a HR login. Let's get into the payroll. We need to get into the payslip, all payslips. Let's remove the badge over here. Let's create an employee payslip for NRHL. Over here it will automatically fetch all the informations, and on the top you can see an option for send for an approval. So it will be submit for an approval, so now it is in the waiting for an approval state. Now let's log in as a manager. Now we are in the manager login. Let's get into the payroll, let's get into the payslip, all payslips, and let's remove all the batches. So over here you can see this is the one which we have created and it's waiting for an approval. Now let's click on the approve option over here, then user can see and compute sheet over here. So before that we have an option named reject to, so if it is wait for an approval you can reject it by using this option as well. Okay, now let's submit for an approval and approve it. Now in this you can see an another option named compute sheet. So once you have computed, you can see an salary computations over here. In this you can see an employee bonus. Okay, it will be automatically fetched from the employee details. And let's get into the list view where we can select in multiple employees payslip, and where under the action you can see an option to report and take a report of a payslip report. And in this it will open a wizard where we can give a date for a report. Let's choose today's date, and there is a two format, one will be an XLS format and also the PDF format is available. Now let's choose an XLS as of now. Now let's print the XLS now. And here is a format where you can see a staff name, department, bank name, bank account, basic and bonus, advanced deduction, net salary, everything can be seen here, and also the total. Where on the top you can see the date wise. Now, like the same way, let's get into the same report. Let's print the same, and you can get a report as a PDF too. Let's choose that from date and to date. Let's choose a PDF for now. So the PDF will be printed where you can see end report for the end payslip in the PDF format. Now let's see how M-Payslip batches work. So for that we need to get into the batches. So let's get into a correction batch for an April 2025. Let's generate an payslip by using this option where you can see a list of employees. Now let's generate it. So it will generate all the reports like all the payslips which we have, and now there is an option for submit for an approval, and so it will waiting for an approval now. So let's get into an administrator and see. Now we are in the admin login. Let's get into the payroll. We need to get into the batches. So it is waiting for an approval. Let's get into that where the admin can see, that is the general manager can see an option for approval as well as the reject. Now let's approve it where you can see an option to compute a sheet. Let's complete the sheet over here. Now let's check for the report. So for that we need to click on the gear icon which is available here, and in this you can see payslip batches report. Let's click on that where it will display and from date and to date. We need to given the from date as well as the to date, and in this we have an XLS format where we can print and batches report. Now user can see payslip batch detailed report in the XLS format. This is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.